hope this inspires you to create healthy meals for your very own furry family members. Thank you for watching, and hit like and subscribe. I will be sharing more ideas with you. Bye-bye. Baby, here you're preparing for her little food. This is her chicken. And I already prepared the fish. The fresh salmon prepared. Making her quinoa. Vegetable. Now preparing her chicken. See, leave it a little raw, not overly cooked. Cut it up into tiny, shredded up. Put it in the container, and off she goes for a couple of months. Hey, Mama. There's my baby. I'm gonna miss her. We got the salmon and the chicken. Once she gets to her destination, they will put it in separate containers. This is just till she gets to Central Florida. We're still making the quinoa vegetable. That one I will put in its own separate container. Paws and Palate was inspired by the unconditional love of my beautiful boys, Rusty and Bailey, may they rest in peace, and our sweet Nana. I believe fresh, wholesome nutrition is one of the greatest gifts and acts of love that we can give our pets to help them live healthier and happier and more active lives. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please hit like and subscribe, and more to come. Bye.